Have you courage? Yeah. Have you dare? Yeah. Have you competitor in the world? My answer is no. Why I have no competitors in the world? Because I have only one competitor, and you are watching him on the screen. My competitor is myself, not anybody in the world. So my lesson is to you is only you have also not any competitor in the world, because your competitor should be you, nobody in the world, because you are the single only one in the world. Nobody is like you. A person can be defeated only if he lost dare and courage. But nobody in the world can defeat you if you have the dare and courage. So these both things, dare and courage, if you have, Allah will help you. And if you don't have, Allah will not help you. Don't lose yourself. Don't think like this that I have no courage, I have no dare, I am in that age in which I can't do anything because now I have many health problems and so more. You can do which is not done by anybody before and after. You can be a hero or zero. If you have a courage and dare, then you are hero, and it will be proven in your future life. If you don't know about yourself today, tomorrow will prove that you are the hero, but otherwise you are the zero if you don't have these two. So you must think that I have competitor myself and I have to fight against myself. When I have learned the rules and principles by which I can fight against myself, it means that you can learn, and you have learned the rules and principles by which you can against anybody in the world or any country in the world. So prepare yourself today for tomorrow. You must be victorious. You must be victorious.